Hello and welcome to the second part of elasticity of demand. Here we are going to talk about what price elasticity of demand basically is. In the previous video, we have already seen what is income elasticity of demand, what is cross elasticity of demand. Whenever we say elasticity of demand, generally it is meant, generally we mean to say price elasticity of demand and not income or cross elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is an economic measure of the change in the quantity demanded or purchased of a product in relation to its price change. It is expressed mathematically as percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Price elasticity is used by economists to understand how supply or demand changes given changes in price to understand the working of the real economy. For instance, some goods are very inelastic, that is, their prices do not change very much given changes in supply or demand. For example, people need to buy petrol to go to work or travel around the world. And so, if oil prices rises, people will likely to still buy just the same amount of petrol. On the other hand, certain goods are very elastic. Their price moves cause substantial changes in its demand or its supply. For example, luxury goods like luxury sports car and all. Let us see what is a perfectly inelastic demand. When the price elasticity of demand is zero, then the demand is perfectly inelastic. It simply means that uh, given the percentage change in prices of the given commodity, there will be no changes in the quantity demanded of the commodity. Price elasticity, an inelastic, perfectly inelastic demand is shown by a vertical straight line, which means that no matter how much the price changes, there will be no changes in the quantity demanded of the commodity. This is up to certain extent an unrealistic example. We cannot basically find a perfectly inelastic commodity in our day-to-day world. The next thing we have is inelastic demand when the price elasticity of demand, I mean the coefficient is between 0 and 1. If the percentage of change in demand is less than the percentage of change in price, then the demand is inelastic. For example, when we are purchasing medicines and other essential commodities, generally, even if the prices rise substantially, we need to consume those products like medicines, right? So basically, there will be very little change in demand as these are necessary commodities, and hence they signify an inelastic demand. Elastic or unit elastic. When the coefficient of price elasticity demand is equal to 1. When the percentage change of change in demand is the same as the percentage of change in price, then the demand is unit elastic. For example, let us say that the price of a candy drops from rupees 10 to rupees 5 and the demand increases from 10 candies to 15 candies. Here the percentage of change in demand is equal to the percentage of change in price, that is 50% divided by 50%, which is equal to 1. So basically the curve of unitarily elastic price elastic commodity will be simply the one as shown in the figure. Perfectly elastic demand. A commodity will be said to have a perfectly elastic demand if the percentage of change in demand is more than the percentage of change in price. For instance, if a 10% increase in price causes a 20% drop in demand, then the coefficient of perfectly elastic demand is 3. which means that demand is perfectly elastic. A perfectly elastic demand is shown by a horizontal demand curve, showing that even a slightest changes in the price of the commodity causes a significantly large percentage changes in the quantity demanded of the particular commodity. Thank you.